What's up guys, welcome back to The Social Cut. I'm Steve, thanks for watching guys. And today we're mixing things up and we're recording here at the shop at The Social Cut. So today we're gonna be talking about hairstyling hacks for guys. Common question I get at the shop, man, is how do I comb my hair? How do I get when they leave the shop, they never get the hairstyle they want when they go home and they try to style their own hair. So guess what? I'm gonna show you guys how to do it at home so you guys can achieve the best hairstyle. All right, fellas, before we get into the hairstyling hacks, the first thing you gotta do is make sure you guys get a proper haircut. So let me introduce my guy here. If you guys haven't seen this guy around the shop, this is Anthony, my apprentice. The next protege here. Say what's up, my man.
How's it going, everyone?
All right, man. So check it out. So the first thing, like I said, you guys wanna make sure you get a right haircut. Something that guys always come in here and say, hey, you know what? I comb my hair sometimes to the left, sometimes I comb it to the right. I like to spike it up. So you can do that, but if you have a hairstyle, like say you want to do like a comb over or just kind of comb it off forward, you gotta tell your barber to comb, you gotta cut it the way you're gonna comb it. So, for example, this guy here, he likes to comb it to the side. So when we're cutting it, we wanna make sure to actually get these ends that are sticking out to the side. So for example, let's say he wanted to comb it forward and we cut his hairstyle going forward. That means, guess what? When he combs it to the left or to the right, those hairs are gonna be sticking out. So you gotta make sure you cut your hair the way you're gonna comb it. And of course, you guys wanna get a fresh haircut, a nice good looking haircut. Where do they come, bro?
They come here.
Oh yeah. The first hairstyling hack, well, actually it's a couple of hairstyling hacks in one, is how you dry your hair. So check out my guy here. So this is actually what you don't want to do, is you don't want to let your hair dry like this guy did right here. See, when you let your hair dry just wild, see how it just kind of goes everywhere? So when you try to comb your hair, it makes it difficult to kind of comb it to the side. So this guy combs it to the right, but since he let it dry this way, it's going to be impossible to kind of comb it to the right. See how it naturally keeps falling over? So what you want to do is, when it's nice and wet, when you get out of the shower, this is kind of wet his hair here. A couple ways you can do this. You want to make sure to actually comb your hair, let it dry the way you're going to comb it. So see, he combs it to the right, so you want to let it dry this way. So that way, when it dries, it pretty much stays this way when you want to comb it. And another good tip, guys, let's get it nice and wet right here. For some added volume, fellas, what you can actually do is actually blow dry it up. Let me show you here. So what we're doing is just kind of fluffing the hair up and blow drying it. And for some extra volume, you actually want to blow dry it the opposite way. Let me show you. So check that out, fellas. You see, he likes to comb it towards the right, but we want to give him that added volume. So what we did is we just blow dried it the opposite way, and take a look. It naturally stands up by itself. Check it out, guys. Look at all this volume right here by simply blow drying it. So now that we completely dried his hair, time to put some hair product. So let me grab some pomade. So here is the next hairstyling hack. So let me grab a little bit of pomade here. So now we get maybe about a quarter size, put it all in our hands. So this is another little, this is one of my favorite tips here, guys, so check it out. So what we do is to continue to keep this volume, what you want to do is, he combs it towards the right. So what we're going to do is here, actually start off going the opposite way, check it out. So we're going the opposite way. So by going the opposite way, what we're doing is we're getting to the bottom, the root of the hair. That way we get pomade in there, and that way it lifts up the hair, my guys. So now we go back the other way. Check it out. And I know guys always say it takes forever to comb the hair. Pretty easy, dude. It shouldn't take you that long. Look at this. You see that here? Now that I applied the hair product, other hairstyling hack I didn't mention is you want to make sure to apply the hair product when it's dry, because a lot of guys, again, put hair product when it's wet, and it kind of defeats the purpose, because when the hair is wet, you try to put the hair product on there and it doesn't grip. So the drier the hair, the better, because that way it gets better grip. So let me finish styling this guy's hair. Alright fellas, for the last hairstyling hack, you'd be surprised, man. I was surprised. A lot of guys don't know where to part their hair. So if you're doing a comb over, you know, you're splitting your hair, where do I part my hair? That's usually, guys, #1 question. Pretty simple. Check it out. You use your eyebrow as a guide. Did you know that?
I did, bro. I see.
So what you do, my man, is you see your eyebrow, the highest point of your eyebrow, the tip right there. Look at this. So all you do is you just go diagonal. See that? See the comb? And then you just go from there and part it. Pretty simple, man. So now let's finish styling this guy's hair. Oh, and if you want to keep it more of a natural look, I mean, I haven't even used a comb yet. I just kind of just run your fingers, so you want to keep it more natural looking, or comb, get that more slick look. Check it out, guys. What do you think? Look at this. Look at this volume. How you like it, bro?
Can't see it.
Looks good. It looks good.
I'll take it.
All right, man. So check it out, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy those hairstyling hacks, man. And of course, man, if you guys have any questions, let me know, guys. Put the comments in the comment box below. And as always, guys, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, man. And hey, don't forget to check it out on social media, man. You guys can find me at The Social Cut. And that's it for today, fellas. See you next time.
No, it's how you dry your hair, not blow dry your hair.